Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off by using this birdhouse that I found at a thrift store. I think I got it for like $1. I am going to paint over the cream color with a couple of coats of white paint. Once I have that all coated, I'm going to quickly go over the roof with some more burgundy. As you can see, like the paint is chipping off. So I'm just going to do a quick coat on the underneath and along the edges. I'm not going to really worry too much about the top because I'm going to cover that. Once I have the top all done, I'm going to touch up that green on the bottom. And I just took another color green that was really close to the color that was already on there. And I am going to go over that. So now that I have it all painted, I am going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to run it along the whole front of the birdhouse. And I ended up doing this on the back and the sides too. But I'm just going to run a coat of Mod Podge all over the whole house, making sure that I don't miss any spots with the Mod Podge. And once I have all that Mod Podge on there, I am going to sprinkle some glitter on. So once I have that good coat on, now I can dump my glitter on. I'm just going to sprinkle it all really evenly, making sure that I get it well coated. And then I'm just going to bang it off to get off all that excess. And I did that all the way around. Now I'm going to start adding some glitter snow to the roof. Make sure that I get my edges and the very top. And then I went along both sides. So I'm going to do this for the whole roof. Just making sure that I get the whole roof and go down. But I want to make sure I get those eaves first. And then I'm just going to kind of dab it all the way down on each side of the roof. And just kind of keeping it like a fluffy. I'm just dabbing it on, kind of pulling it around. I want to make sure that it gets coated evenly, but also that it looks like fresh fallen snow. I'm also going to do the bottom half of the birdhouse, just around on the green. I want to make sure that I make it look like it snowed on that also. So I'm just going to kind of dab it along the edge on there too, kind of filling it all in as I go. And I will cover the whole roof and the whole bottom part. And as you can see, I've got it all covered. While that is still wet, I'm going to sprinkle some glitter right on top of that glitter snow. I really wanted it to shimmer, and so I added more glitter to the glitter snow. And now we have a very sparkly birdhouse. Next, I'm going to take this Decor Duraclear. It's a satin varnish, and I'm just going to put that all over the front, the back, and the sides of the house, just so that glitter doesn't flake off everywhere and get all over everything. So I want to make sure that it had a nice clear coat. You could take it outside and give it a quick spray of a clear coat if you wanted to. I just had this on hand. You could use any kind of clear coat that you have just to make sure that glitter. You could even do another coat of Mod Podge if you wanted to. And now that is on there. So now I got these ornaments from Walmart. They come in a pack of 4 and they're in the mini section. And I'm going to glue this ornament. It's a wreath with a little cardinal. I'm going to glue that right around the hole in the birdhouse. It was like the perfect size for this. Just kind of hold that on for a second until it adheres. And I love these little ornaments. They're so pretty. And look how cute that is. Once that was on, I'd made a bow out of some red ticking fabric that I had. And I'm going to just glue that right to the top of the wreath. And I just ripped a strip of fabric and then tied it off in the center. And then I am going to add a silver bell to the middle of the bow. And this project is done. This is such a cute winter birdhouse. I think this is absolutely adorable. I love how it's all shimmery and sparkly, yet it's not going to come off everywhere now. And how adorable is this? Thank you guys for watching. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.